72 Trees Seed and Land Company.
I'm very grateful for 72 Trees for taking on this dangerous and difficult job. We tried 8 other companies and all of them declined. They were even able to mitigate with our insurance company to get things pre-approved.
"72 Trees Seed and Land Company" originated during the aftermath of Hurricane Camille in Gulfport, Mississippi in 1969. We've traveled many square miles from New York, Hurricane Sandy, to Houston, Texas, Hurricane Ike, providing recovery and remediation to people in dire need of assistance for over 40 years. We have the expertise to determine the proper methodology for your removal needs, and we pay extra special attention as to not cause any collateral damage to driveways, infrastructure, existing trees, and landscaping. 72 Trees Seed and Land Company has the capacity and equipment access to handle any major storm while assisting clients as a first responder, literally 24 hours a day, with veteran property loss consultants to handle your insurance claim from start to finish. We are the catastrophic industry's leader in massive, high-risk and complex tree removals involving large loss claims with over 40 years of empirical data.
Thanks, JD, for saving that mourning dove.
72 Trees Seed and Land Company.